Hi guys, this is Rafa from Brazil striking again. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe right now. Hit the like button and make part of this beautiful family, our Simplicity family. Just click the link below in the description area. And oh my god, the search is over, finally. You finally have a system that you can trust, you can rely on, and you can drive your attention and your actions to finally get in control of your emotions, of your trading techniques and everything else. Okay, so that's it. Right now I have a very important video to show you. I pretty much think that we have three important aspects for the consistency, and I'm telling you what's working for me. And for instance, this trade here, I'm already with 63 pips, okay, 426 euros in profit right now. I'm closing this trade right in front of you, okay. My stop loss is originally here, and I will drag it to the entry point, okay. So I am on a safe trade. It was already done. I'm just redoing that. And it was a 60 pips stop loss. This system address 1-to-1 risk ratio, and to maximize your winning percentage and your risk ratio, you have to obey certain rules, and this pair will be beautifully to me to show you that. Okay, you can take a look at this trade over here. Okay, it is a up trade on an uptrend movement where we could have a 48 stop loss and a 48 at least 48 take profit. Okay, our take profit would be hit around here. Okay, 48 pips. Okay, right here it would be 48 pips. So you probably, and you would be right in this decision, you could exit your trade over here, booking your 48 pips profit. Okay, because this is a 1-to-1 risk ratio, at least 1-to-1 risk ratio system. But Rafa, how can I maximize my profit? And that's the beauty and the magic I will show you. Okay, when your price action is about to take your profits, okay, you have to analyze what is going on. And when you face something like that, where your signal is still valid, the trend period is still green, in other words, in your favor, when your short-term trend still green and your long-term trend still green, you can, listen to me, listen carefully, pay attention, you can close half of your profit and let the other half run. Yeah, that's the magic. I rephrase and I repeat that. When you face your taky profit almost getting hit, you analyze price action. If it is green on the short-term trend, green on the long-term trend, green on the trend, and with a buy signal on, you can cut half of your lot size and let the other half run. And it runs beautifully. And Rafa, when do I get out? Interesting question. After you do that, when do you get out of a trade? Very simple. Very simple. You get out of a trade when the conditions, the very beginning conditions, and you know already the conditions, okay, you know already the steps. I'm not gonna talk about the steps right now. If you don't know your steps to your freedom, the steps to your freedom, you must watch every single video in this YouTube channel, okay, and you get to know correctly everything that I'm talking about simplicity. So when you cut half of your lot size, when should I exit my trade? When should I cut the other half of my profits? Very simple. You should wait for price action to reach the roof of the resistance, and that's red rectangle, it's a resistance. This green rectangle is a support. You should wait for the price action reaches the roof of the resistance. You should wait for the short-term trend become red and the long-term trend become red. You don't need the trend surfer. You don't need it. You don't need it. Okay? You don't need the trend to get red. Only the roof, the short-term trend, and the long-term trend. So here, oh my God, look how precise this fantastic system is. Right here, you should exit the other half. So you would have 36 pips plus the other 48 that you have. So you could maximize your profits. That's the beauty of simplicity, because it gives you at least, in this case, 48 to 48 pips. Okay, at least, and you can maximize your profits just following some other rules. Okay, so right now I'm teaching you how to make every single pip in profit about this trade. How you can squeeze every single penny of your trade. Okay, but Rafa, right now you are on a trade. Yeah, and about this trade I'm going to show you two things, two important aspects to be a consistent trader. The first one, of course, is following the rules. Okay, so that's my rule. First one, the signal, short-term trend, long-term trend, 1 hour time frame should be aligned in the perspective that you are looking for. In this case, it is a sell trend, very clear sell trend right now, a sell movement coming from a sell area. Okay, so I get back to the 30 minutes time frame. I set my stop loss, I set my take profit. So my stop loss should be around here, 70 pips. Should be around here, 67 pips. It's almost reaching there, 7 pips. Let me drive that to 67 pips around here. Oh, 1 moment please. Oh my God, where is my take profit? Okay, just a moment, I'm sorry. Okay, right now we are good. Would it be around here? Oh my God, it's gonna, yeah, look at that. 68 pips, yeah, precisely the same level. Okay, yeah, look at that. My entry was around here, 63, 64. Yeah, my take profit's gonna be hit sooner or later. Okay, but what do we have to deal here? Well, everything was aligned. Okay, everything was beautiful aligned. Price went down for a while. Okay, went up, then went down, went up, went against us. It went against us, but it never take our stop loss, and eventually it's going to hit my take profit. So what's the answer here that I want you to understand from the question about this trade? You have to be patient. You have to be diligent. You have to follow your rules. If you set your stop loss here, you should stay and let your stop loss in the same area. It doesn't matter if price is going against you. You wait. Why you wait? Because you trust the system. You trust the system. This is something important for you to understand. You should trust your system. And I trust simplicity. Look, this signal, beautiful signal. Why does this signal couldn't be a beautiful signal as well? Yes, it could. Yes, it can. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. So consistency is not only something related to your bank account or your pips in profit. This is something that you need to understand that must be aligned with your trading analysis, with your trading commitment, and above all, with your patience, with your own discipline. So this is something that you should be very aware about that, because you'll never be successful if you do not follow the rules, if you're trading in a different way every single moment. So this is something that you should understand. If you need any further assistance, please let me know, send me an email. If you already have the system and need further assistance, just let me know. I am absolutely sure, and I have a bunch of fellows that were in the session with me, and they just clicked something and they started trading very well, very well. So it's nice to see that. It's nice to see that progress. It's very touching to me. So that's it, guys. That's it for now. Another great entry here, 62 pips. And by the way, this was a signal that I sent on my signal group. It was a signal that I sent on my signal group. So maybe people are making money right now. Sorry, not maybe. I'm absolutely sure that people are making money right now, because this was a signal that I sent yesterday. Let's just be check. Yesterday. Yeah, correct. So it's not that complicated. It's really not that complicated. Okay, guys, that's it. It's gonna be probably a profit trade. I'll let you know in the next video, sorry. Please hit the like button, please subscribe to the channel, and let's spread this Forex word out. Okay? Thank you very much. If you're not part of the Simplicity Trading System family, oh my god, you're just wasting your time. Please, the search is over. That's the ultimate system that you need to make money in this market. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.